Hello everybody and welcome to the Dalmatian channel. Today we are opening up McDonald's boxes and we're going to see what toys we got today. You ready, Ellie?
Yeah.
Alright. Luna, you ready? We're going to open up the first box.
Oh, are you ready?
Here. Oh. Open it up.
Dang. Feel so loved right now.
Alright.
You're over here, Luna.
Luna, you want to open up yours? Yeah, let's move this out the way. Okay, Luna, we're going to open up yours first. This is a Squishmallow toy. You ready, Luna? Oh, she's sniffing it up. She wants it open. Let's get it open. Oh. I think you're excited, guys. Oh, okay. I need some space. Oh, you excited, guys? Ooh. And what do we have? A cute cat. Their worst enemy. Wow, okay. Do you like that, Luna? His name is Cam. Oh, yeah. And now we're going to open up Oliver's.
We have this one. Oliver. Let's see what we have. We have the pigeon? Owl? I don't know what it is. Babs.
It's a blue jay.
Babs. Babs is writing her very own sci-fi comic. Don't you like that, Oliver? A pigeon?
I think he prefers the cat, not the blue jay.
This one's mine.
This one's Luna's. His name is Cam. Got a tail and everything, tag, don't forget it. Got a QR code and its little description.
Now we have this one. Little. They are cute, but too bad they don't stay too stuffed with stuffing.
They're hard as a rock, but they're still squishy, as you can tell. Can still sit here, mash them around, give them a new face. Ta-da! Oh, I bet the dogs will love it. Anyways, thank you for watching our channel, and have a good day.
Bye!